Exercise, movement, and breathing are very important for the lymphatic system and to prevent lymphedema. I'm Dr. Alexandra Chaux, Doctor of Physical Therapy, certified in manual lymphatic drainage, and specialized in the recovery of patients with breast cancer. In this video, we are going to do a lymphatic exercise routine. It's going to be 12 exercises, and every exercise is going to last 1 minute. The only thing that you need is a comfortable chair to sit. Are you ready? Let's do this. The first exercise is neck rotations for 1 minute. You go as far as you feel comfortable and pain-free. Just go to your limits. Every time that you go, see how far can you turn your neck, looking over your shoulder. Keep going slowly to each side, warming up the neck, helping the lymphatic system to work more efficiently. Back and forth. Go to your own speed. Back and forth. And rest. Second exercise is going to be looking up and down. So the movement of the neck is going to be going up and down. Slowly go up, slowly go down. Slowly go up, slowly go down. You can follow the movement with your eyes, so you look up when you are up, you look down when you are going down. You can close your eyes if you want to. It's all up to your preference. Just feel the little stretch every time you go back and forth. Next exercise is going to be shoulders going back. So like a squeezing shoulder blades. And center. So like squeezing shoulder blades, you go back and relax. Back and relax. Do every movement effortless, just a slowly movement and gentle with yourself. Back and forth. And just feel what is happening when you bring your shoulders back, what happened to the front of your chest. You will feel like a little stretch on the front. That's okay. It's okay to feel. Remember, pain-free. Every movement has to be pain-free. You go to your limits. I kept trying to bring the elbows closer on the back. Know your limits. Squeeze. Next exercise, we're going to do shoulder circles. Circles going up, back, and down. Gentle with yourself. Go to your speed. Just enjoy this exercise and feel how now your body is getting warmer. Up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. If you need to take breaks during the exercise, feel free to do it. and take a break. Next exercise, you are going to put your hands behind your neck and you're going to go side bending, back and forth. If you cannot put your hands behind your neck because you feel restricted with the movement, you can put it in front across your chest. You go to your limits. Side bending. Feel how your body stretch every time that you bring the elbow down in that side. You bring the elbow down and the other side stretch. Go slow. Just feeling gentle stretch every time you go. And relax. Next exercise, we're going to do trunk rotations. So you can put your hands on the front or behind your neck. Either one is good, depend of your restrictions. You just listen to your body. So you go and rotate your body to one side, then to the other side. Go with the movement of your neck too. The whole body rotates. It's just 1 minute. Each exercise 1 minute. And take a break. Next exercise is cat-cow. So you put your hands on your knees. And what you're going to do, you're going to arch your back and then round your back. Arch your back and then round your back. Feel also when you arch your back, your pelvis also move forward. And when you round your back, your pelvis go back. You look at your belly button. When you arch your back, you look up. When you round your back, look at your belly button. And just keep moving back and forth. Warming up the spine. One vertebra at a time is getting lubricated and the lymphatic system is working more efficiently. And relax. Next exercise, you are going to bring your body down, and when you come up, you bring your arms up. You go to your limits. If you feel like the arms are restricted to move, you just bring it to the side. If you feel like your range of motion is better, you can bring it up. It depends on how you feel. So ready? Let's do this. So you're going to go forward, bring the hands down to the floor, slowly come up, and bring the arms up. Go down, touch the floor, slowly come up, bring the arms up, and feel the stretch on your chest. Slowly go down until you touch the floor, and slowly come up. And relax. Next exercise is going to be marching in place. Bring your Knees up, up. You can put your hands on your waist to rest. For 1 minute. Knee up, up, up. We have lymphatic system, we have lymph nodes here, so everything is moving, is getting drained, is pumping, so everything is moving. So it's very good for you. Keep always your back straight. Good posture at all times. Feels good. Take a break. Next exercise, you're going to kick up. Okay? And then with the other leg. So what you're going to do, you bring the toes up too and straighten it up. Bring the foot up toward the ceiling and then down. Up toward the ceiling, down. Alternating. Getting good sound, set on the knees, popping. It's a good thing. Feels so good. And relax. Now you're going to bring the feet up and down. You bring the toes up, heels up. Toes up, heels up. Feeling every part of your foot moving. You go to your speed, remember? Very slow or fast. I would suggest slow so you can see what is going on in your body. You're doing a great job. Almost there. Relax. And the last exercise is the breathing exercise, because the breathing is going to help you to recover. You put one hand on the tummy, the other one on your heart. You're going to breathe, and when you inhale, feel how the tummy push your hand out, and just breathe for 1 minute, feeling the tummy expanding. And when you inhale, expand, and when you exhale, the belly button sink toward the lower back. Go to your own speed, but just feel your breathing. It's very important. Go slow, connecting with your body, feeling even how your hand brings some warmth to your tummy. Feel the temperature of your hand on your tummy while you're breathing. Expand the tummy and put some resistance with the hand on your tummy. And breathe, feeling your body. And we are done. Bravo, my sweet people. You did a good job. Do this daily. It's a very good exercise to start the day and help the lymphatic system to work more efficiently and prevent lymphedema. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next week with more videos. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.